This is Justin Scoop on Wednesday, December 24th, 2025, and Merry Christmas. Market is closed tomorrow. It closed early today at 1 p.m. Eastern, 12 p.m. Central. And so we're looking at Central Time. Uh, this was definitely the Santa rally. It just moved up, made a new all-time high today, right before Santa Day, right? So, yeah, this just kept running. There are some significant similarities between yesterday and today. And so if I can just get the drawing tool. Okay. So yesterday we talked about opening at an inside day, ran up, broke out of the high, retested, came back down right into the 100. That was such a good move. And then bounced. Nice little S curve there. We did it quicker. So we today we opened inside, immediately broke out, like the first candle broke out, and then still got a little S curve right here, pull back, and then just continue to run up. Very little bit of an S curve. You can't even see it there. It's like that candle went up, that candle kind of paused, this candle came back, and then it bounced and just ran. It's just hard to show because of how quick things went today. So just like yesterday, where I was saying you could be in right before like 9:30. No, that was 9:30 right here. No, this was earlier. This was closer to 9. You could have been doing that again today. Just anywhere in here could have been buying. I got in a little bit before. What was it? 9:25 is when I was in. I was in on that pullback. That was a nice little pullback. I'll show you that with the option. So here is, yeah, the day closed at Manhattan Central. So let me zoom out on this. So I was in the 6925 call that expired today, and it was just going sideways through here. So we were pushing up, right? This was running up, and option was just going sideways. It's like, okay, this this is running to an all-time high. It's just gonna go. Like all it needs to do is push above 6920, basically. So I was watching that. It's like, okay, we're gonna break out. Yep, broke out. Let's get in on a little bit of a pullback because it's a Santa rally. Like it should just continue to run at this point. So yeah, I was buying on a pullback from the all-time high. It's like this is a good level. It should keep going. It's a Santa rally. Be in, right? So I was in on that candle at 1.25. So I was in a couple of contracts. So 1.25 and my stop was at 0.75. So two contracts, stop at 0.75. And then I had a target up here around 6. I actually bumped it up. I had it at 6. I'm like, you know what? I think it'll go to 6 points. I think 6.3. So I ended up exiting. I think it exited at 6.3, somewhere up here. It continued to push. I missed that push right there. That would have been great. And then it ended up pushing to around 12 or something, I think was the high. Let's see what the high was on this candle. 12.3. So I was out at 6.3. Nice $1,000 gain with two contracts. So that was really nice. The put just was losing value all day. Like we're normally looking at. Nice pullback. It kind of tried to retest a little bit here. This was nice where it held that level. I was already out at this point. I was in, but it's still just good to watch where this was going. So I was in at 9:25 and I was out at 10:35. So 70 minutes in the trade, $1,000. Um, yeah, really nice game on that one. And had I just held a little bit more, but we're doing Christmas stuff, don't want to be sitting in front of the computer all that time. But I was keeping an eye on stuff. It's like, all right, I'm out. I'm out over here. And it's like, oh, it's just continuing to drift up. And that was a nice little move there. So, but I was debating, do I get out? Okay, is it gonna pause? Is it gonna come back? These really small candles here, it's like, what is going on? I was tightening up my stop really tight. It's like, okay, if I'm wrong, I'm gonna get out and lock some of this in. So at one point I had my stop like really tight on this and then just went. So um, yeah, that's how that traded today. So markets close on Christmas. Markets open again on Friday. It'd be nice to have a little bit of a rest post Santa rally. Anybody looking at their charts or looking at anything, looking at their portfolio, I mean, at least just look at the index. Everything's up. Anybody who's ever bought is up. So maybe there'll be some profit taking at the open on Friday, or maybe people just kind of let it run because hey, it's Christmas time. Why deal with that? Just deal with it next week. So if we do just continue to push, 7,000 is not that far away. We could definitely still do that this year. Let's see, there's Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Is that it? Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? Because Thursday's the new year. Yeah. What, four more trading days? Can we get to 7,000 in four trading days? That's possible. That's absolutely possible. So, oh, and we had a squeeze yesterday. I missed that. One candle squeeze. My favorite squeeze, I think it was, when was that? Was it years ago? I think it was longer ago. My favorite squeeze I ever saw on here was like a countdown. It may have been SPY. Um, I don't remember when it was. What year was this? This is way longer ago. I meant to just be looking recent years. But we had something that just ran. I want to say it's somewhere in here. No, that's not it. But it went like three squeeze candle or three squeeze dots and then two squeeze dots and then one squeeze. It was like a 3, 2, 1, go. And it went. And I don't remember when it was. But it had a really nice move. Was it this? No, it's not that one. I keep going back to that time frame, don't I? I don't remember what it was. I don't remember what it was. But these single, like look at this. Here's a single dot, another single dot, and just continues to push up. So I mean, the momentum is there, the compression is there. It could just run. So safe travels if you are going somewhere, and if you're checking charts, if you're watching a video like this, thank you, appreciate that, and we'll get back at it Friday or maybe next week. I may just take Friday off. We'll see. All right. Hope this helps. This is Justin. Thanks.